How to unfreeze your SHEIN account. So, SHEIN may freeze your account for several reasons, including suspicious login activity, repeated password mistakes, or policy violation. You'll typically receive a message on the login screen stating that your account has been frozen for security purpose. So on the login screen, all you have to do is simply type in your phone number or email address, and just like that, simply tap on Forgot Password. Now, check your inbox for password reset link. Resetting your password can often unfreeze your account instantly. Now, if resetting your password did not work, open the SHEIN application, simply tap on the Me icon, and just like that, simply tap on Customer Service. Choose the chat bot or type in "My account is frozen" to be connected to an agent. Now be prepared to confirm your identity, including your name, registered email, and your recent order ID. That's it. The process should now unblock your SHEIN account in minutes. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.